Hey guys, we're about to cook.
Oh, show them what we've got.
Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, we bought a lot of
Crabs.
crabs. And I'm drinking my wine already. Wait. We have crabs, we have prawns, and it's gonna be a feast today. It's a belated Christmas lunch feast. Yay, yay, yay.
Nuts.
Where's your wine? You should be
Nuts.
drinking wine as well.
Oh my god. I need
Oh my God. I wish I had a tripod so I can just leave this.
Okay.
We're having a feast.
Yeah, this is a piece.
And Nene is the official chef, cook.
Hello!
Hi!
Okay, kunyari nagluluto tayo sa TV.
Okay. Kuya
Okay.
Germs?
Kuya Germs, magandang gabi. Bayan.
Okay, what are you doing
now?
now?
I put in some butter.
Okay, butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, nabakla.
I thought you're talking in a British accent, but actually it's just like Okama accent.
Oh, bakla na
Bakla.
pala. Bakla accent. And then, some prawns. Lasing accent.
Actually, that's not prawn yet. That's a garlic.
Lashing na nga, lashing.
I was the one who was drinking wine, not you.
Oh my God. I checked the tinola at the same time.
Okay.
Oy, I think it's...
Wow, that looks yummy.
Shall I cook? Shall I put kangkong
Yeah, a bit.
already or not yet?
Oh wait, you have to wait for the sayote to be
Oh.
well cooked.
Okay.
Oh my God, I feel like I'm a chef watching you. James Gordon, what's his name? The guy, the British guy.
Nigella Lawson.
No, I mean Gordon, Ramsay Gordon.
Nigella Lawson.
Who is that?
The beautiful, sexy one.
Oh,
Ano maluluto ko? Prawns.
prawns.
Oh my God, nalito.
Girl, that's a sign of old age.
Sprinkle some salt.
Oh yeah, let us show them that. Okay, so
Line
this
them
is
up again.
our
Crabs.
crabs. We like
Them up in
seafood.
the pan. Just like that.
Just like
easy
that.
peasy.
Easy peasy.
Okay.
And if we don't end up with a very, very fat tummy, I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God. All right.
Yay.
Okay, no more.
No more.
And no more space in the cooker as well. Talaga naman. Naku, pag di ka naman tayo nabusog yan.
Yeah. Here it goes. Yay! Oh my
Here
God.
it goes.
Okay. Sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah. Salt?
Actually, no, I don't know here, but in Japan it's like a mixture of salt and pepper already.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Salt
And then yapari, instead of
and
putting a soy sauce, I put fish sauce.
Atin yan ba? Kasi
Well, that's me na. Because
Oh.
fish sauce, it makes, like it's kind of sweet.
Ah. Okay. That's it.
That's it, pansit.
Naku, antok na ako.
Inaantok ka na.
Pagkaluto nito, antok na ako. Matutulog na ako. Naku. Oh, nice.
Take a nap.
Look. Okay, let's cook the crab
Okay.
at the same time. Mabilis lang naman yung crab, di ba?
Yes.
Wow,
Oh.
fiesta.
Fiesta, fiesta. Para hindi ka antukin, let's check the pool upstairs.
Oh, ganyan ba? Habang nagluluto.
Hindi, pagkaluto natin, kung masunog
Oh,
yan.
sige.
Oh my God.
Ano, lagay ko ba yung kangkong?
Luto, luto na ba yung sayote?
Tingin mo.
Hindi,
pa.
kailangan sundusin mo na para malaman kung luto. May gulang.
Mga hindi sanay magluto. May pasundot-sundot pa. Baka kengkot. Yung mga eksperto, titingnan lang yan. Kung
Oo.
luto na.
Ay, sa tingin ko matigas pa yung ano eh,
Yung
yung...
nga susundutin na. Para sigurado. Let's check.
Let's check. Malambot
Hindi
na.
pa, matigas.
Oh, di ba sabi sa'yo?
Hindi pa.
It looks like it's still hard. Woohoo!
Ay, sarap nito, guys.
That looks yummy. Yung garlic natin, hindi pa siya brownish.
Oo nga.
Sinalo mo agad.
Ganun ba yun?
Hindi pa luto.
Hindi, tama yun.
Aso ka.
Gusto mo pa sunog?
Hindi, actually kasi pag medyo talagang brown na siya, lumalabas yung lasa niya talaga. As opposed to medyo parang
Lasa ng prawns o lasa ng garlic?
garlic.
Ah, tingin ba?
Did you know garlic is aphrodisiac? Oh, wow.
Kaya mo yan.
Isa pang
Tapos natapon na. Pulot.
It's very bad.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yan mga style. Okay, few more minutes.
Okay.
Wow.
How's our tinola going?
Lola?
Tinola.
Akala ko sabi mo, how's our Lola going? How's our Lola
No, I said how's
Now
our tinola.
sleepy. Talaga naman. Sa bagay, hindi alam.
Ano mo naman lang.
Mabilis lang ang prawns pa sa Tagal. Kasi todo natin ang init.
Kasi nasa low yata.
Ah,
Nasa low.
Stir-fried nga daw dapat.
Nag-aral ka ng cooking, di ba?
Hindi.
Ay, di ba? Saan ko nakuha yun?
Kasamang konti dun sa hotel management.
Diba? Ako parang may tinanong si Tim sa akin na nakaraan. Sabi ko, sinagot ko siya, pero actually wala akong, I have no idea. Ay, yun sa blood type. Ay, is that true? I go, no, it's not.
Ano sinabi niya?
Hindi, di ba tinanong niya? Ano, it's something about, remember we're talking about like how Japanese ask what's your blood type?
Ah.
And I said something about O, and then he asked me like, is that true? I said, actually, no, I don't know.
Ano yung pakisagot mo? Are you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm not. No.
Teka muna. Sabi ko, mamaya sa tayo.
My God.
Alam mo,
Wala niya sakit ang tiyan ko.
kasi matatawa kapag nakita mo yung mukha nung
Hindi na dahil.
pag nakita mo yung mukha nung tumatawa, matatawa ka.
Diba, ano na siya? Oh my God.
Ay, naku po.
Wow, we did it. I'm gonna take a video of the table. Goodbye. Oh my God. Nice one, Chef Nene.
Sana masarap.
Oh, that looks good. Yeah, I will follow you.
Talaga na. Look what we're having.
Yeah, it's a feast. Yeah.
Kunin natin. Tinola.
We have tinola, shrimp, kangkong, or what you call spinach. And this is a mango salad.
Ano yung kangkong? Water.
Aren't they called spinach? No. Crabs.
Water.
Hey, chef. Thank you for cooking.
Okay, let's eat. Ah,
Let's
teka,
eat.
water.
Is it starting now?
Well, whenever.
Okay.